What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Hour, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Hour. Today, I'm trying out some of this Texas Roundup barbecue rub from Buc-ee's. And if you don't know what Buc-ee's is, it's it's basically a big-ass gas station where you can go, and they got all kinds of stuff. You can get you a Buc-ee's sandwich, you can get you a Buc-ee's hat, you might even be able to get you some Buc-ee's motor oil in there. But I've never personally been. There's a few kind of close to where I live, but this came from my mother-in-law, Michelle. She wanted me to try this out, so I want to thank her for the rub. And you watch what you're saying there, buddy. So go ahead and try this out today. Now, I've got some stew meat in the house, so that's what we'll use it on. And this on the side says it's good for, well, it's actually got a picture here of a cow, a hog, and a yard imp. So I'm going to put it on some stew meat today and see what it does. And rub that down. Put that in my oven for about, I don't know, about an hour or so, maybe an hour and a half. Put it on 350 and just kind of let it sit. Now, I did open this thing up and take a smell of it and kind of read back of it. And it's got a nice barbecue rub smell. It's almost even a little bit of citrus because it says brown sugar, spices, sugar, sea salt, paprika, onion, garlic. See, then it says orange and lemon peel, so I'm interested to try that. And I bet it's gonna be damn good because yeah, like I said, you go to that, you see that Buc-ee's, get you a big old Buc-ee's sandwich and then Buc-ee's juices dripping down you. So I might be doing that with this. Now, like I say, I put my stew meat in there. I'm not really telling you how to cook the stew meat because I more want to try this bad boy right here. So put that in there for about an hour or so on 350. I was sitting down watching old Hulk Hogan, may rest in peace, watching some highlights. So got that done, and now I'm ready for some fun, and I'm ready for a sight and a big old bite of this Buc-ee's rub tonight. I'm gonna be rubbing. I'll say it. Alright, buddy, the time has come. The rubbed stew meat is done, and I'm having that first bite from myself. So, smells damn good. I got to tell you that right off the bat. Damn. So first off, whoa. Ooh, a little heat on the end. Ooh. So, good barbecue flavor. Just a real nice barbecue flavor. And that's the thing you're saying, like, oh, where's the barbecue sauce? Well, it's not that I didn't have time for that shit. I just wanted to taste this rub on its own and see what it does. So, barbecue flavor up front. I am getting a little hint of that citrus, but not much. You can kind of just tell something in there going on, you know what I'm talking about. But man, it's really got some spice to it on the end. You eating it and you saying, man, it's got a good sweet tangy flavor, and whoa, right on the back door. Spice is nice, and I might be having some out the back door later. So, you see this laying around, you going up there to Buc-ee's, get you some of this rub. This is some damn good rub. I want to thank Michelle for getting it for me. And I want to thank all of you for watching another episode of Cooking with Black Hour. Make sure to like and subscribe, and follow me on social media. And also watch all my other videos right here on the YouTube channel. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'd like to have some more of this because this is damn good. And you know, I even got this other one over here, this steak seasoning, so I want to try that one too very soon, but not right now because I need some more of this.